case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1984, the Missouri Court of Appeals presided over Geldmeier versus Geldmeier, a divorce case involving disputes over the division of marital property, child support, and maintenance. The husband, who served as the main provider for the family, contested the lower court's ruling, arguing that the division of property, child support, and maintenance were unfairly disproportionate. The lower court had awarded custody of the children to the wife, along with child support at $80 per week per child and maintenance at $100 per month. Additionally, the court divided the marital property, including the $40,000 marital home, which was granted to the wife who had custody of the minor children. At the time of the trial, the wife had been unsuccessful in her efforts to find employment. The husband appealed these decisions, but the Missouri Court of Appeals affirmed the lower court's ruling, deeming the division of marital property as just and equitable, as well as the child support and maintenance amounts. The court held that they had not abused their discretion and modified the order to eliminate a prospective increase in child support to $120.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.